Hello, it's Ben Cooper from Berthon. I'm here in Rapallo in Italy to give you a guided tour of the very beautiful Swan 48 Mia. Mia is a 2019 version of a very popular reincarnation of the Swan 48 by Nautor. She's a typical Frères design, nothing too extreme in proportion, but equally a very pretty yacht, with a nod to more performance with wider stern and twin rudders to keep everything in check. She has a very clean deck layout. Jib sheets are led inside the coach roof coamings, and halyards are also led under the deck to twin powered winches outside the cockpit coamings. As is now the norm on performance cruising yachts, she has an integrated bowsprit for the spinnaker or code 0 with the anchor securely stowed underneath just forward of the bobstay. The cavernous bow locker contains the staysail cable, anchor chain and the sealed gas locker along with other spare ropes, sails, etc. The twin spreader carbon rig was repainted in 2022 and supports the infrared camera on the port spreader that you can just see there. The mast is a Selden carbon rig with a Park Avenue boom that holds the mainsail comfortably, and also with an integrated track for the awning for when it's anchor. You can also see on deck the frame for the more rigid bimini. The cockpit of the Swan 48 is comfortable, seating for 6 and well protected. Mia has some lovely detailing with painted hydraulic cylinders, steering wheels and winch tops. Both steering pedestals have chart plotters. The starboard includes the bow thruster controls next to the throttle for easy manoeuvring. Mir has a huge lazarette, along with a wide bathing platform, and twin rudders gives enough room for a large dinghy, with a separate charger in the lazarette for a torpedo electric outboard, so no need to store petrol on board. Down below, Mir is exquisite. She has a custom finish with a lovely balance of textures, colours and different woods that gives a luxurious feel throughout the yacht. She's a 3-cabin layout with the starboard aft cabin slightly wider than the port. The forward owner's ensuite cabin is very well appointed, with plenty of storage and large hull windows that let in plenty of light, and full hanging lockers and a full-length mirror on the forward face of the door. The open plan saloon and galley has comfortable seating for 6 people. With the 2 chairs on the starboard side, the table can also be lowered and doubles as a comfortable chart table. The spacious galley is well designed with large surface area. She has a 110 litre refrigerator and a 30 litre drawer freezer with below worktop ice maker. After the galley is a slightly smaller double cabin with again the large hull windows which make it feel quite bright and airy and a very comfortable place to be. Opposite the galley, in the second heads with a separate shower unit, both have black water tanks. Finally into the starboard aft cabin. Apologies for the mess, as you can see many spares are currently kept here. One last step is just into the engine room, very lightly used and reliable Volvo in excellent condition and has been professionally serviced every year. I hope you've enjoyed the trip around Mia. As ever, if you would like any more information or would like to discuss further, please do call on the numbers you find on the screen or below.